Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer feedback with Trustpilot, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Trustpilot account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your services. Locate the integrations option in the menu. Click on integrations to view available options. Look for the API section to automate customer feedback. Read the API documentation to understand its functionalities. Generate your API key for authentication purposes. Copy the API key and keep it secure. Next, choose the system you want to integrate with Trustpilot. If you are using a CRM, check its integrations page for Trustpilot support. Follow the instructions specific to your CRM for integrating with APIs. If you're using a custom solution, prepare to make API calls based on documentation. In your app, set up a function to request customer feedback. Pass the required parameters, such as customer email and order ID. Ensure the function is triggered after a purchase is made. Test your integration to verify that feedback requests are sent successfully. Monitor response rates and gather data on customer feedback. Make adjustments based on the responses to improve the process. Consider automating responses to reviews for efficiency. Customize automated messages to align with your brand voice. Regularly check Trustpilot for any updates or changes to the API. Maintain your integration by reviewing logs for any errors. This will ensure a smooth customer feedback automation process. Continue refining your approach based on customer engagement trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.